In today's video, I am going to teach you how to present Canva slides offline, no internet. If you've ever worried about spotty Wi-Fi at a venue or you are presenting on the go, this workflow lets you run your Canva presentation smoothly without relying on a connection. First, open the Canva homepage and locate the presentation you want to use. Hover over it and click the three-dot menu. From there, choose Enable Offline Presenting. This tells Canva to store the assets needed to run your slides locally on your device, so they'll load even when you are offline. You'll want to do this on the computer or mobile web browser you plan to present from. This feature is designed for desktop and mobile web, and it isn't primarily intended for the mobile app. After you enable offline presenting, give Canva a moment to download and sync everything. You may see a brief progress indicator while it saves the fonts, images, and slide data in the background. When the process is complete, you'll notice a small tag letting you know the presentation is available offline. That tag is your confirmation that the content is ready to go without an internet connection. If your presentation is image heavy, allow a little extra time so the files can fully cache. Think of this step as preloading your slides so nothing has to stream when you present. Now disconnect from the internet and return to the Canva homepage. Select the presentation you prepared and open it like you normally would. You should be able to view and present your slides, advance through them, and keep your flow without any network access. The visuals and text you synced will display as expected, and standard transitions will play smoothly because they're already saved on your device. A quick note on limitations to set expectations: offline presenting works best in desktop or mobile web environments. Some embedded videos, live media, or interactive embeds may not function without a connection, since those elements depend on external services. If your deck includes those, consider substituting a static image for the offline version or be ready to talk through that part. The rest of your slides will still work normally. That's the whole process. Thanks for watching.